You are ugly? Oh, I don't like your color. I don't like the shape of your eyes. I don't like the shape of your ears. You look so disgusting. You are not beautiful. Who told you you are not beautiful? The problem is this. We care so much to what people say about us. You pay attention to people's words, negative words against you. You are ugly? Oh, wait a minute. It's like you haven't seen a beautiful person like me before. That should be your answer. Oh, I don't like the shape of your hair. Oh, doesn't matter if you don't like it. I like the shape of my hair. You're gonna compliment yourself. Stop looking down on yourself. When people turn down on you, when people look down on you, you don't look down on yourself. When they say the negative, say the positive before they hear it. When they tell you you are not beautiful, tell them you have not seen a beautiful person like me. When they say you are not doing better, oh, I am doing more better than you. Do you know that? Come and see it. I'm doing better than you. Confront negative words, negative statements with positive statement immediately. Don't allow it to enter your mind. You are unique. You are beautiful. There's no such beautiful person like you on planet Earth. Oh, can I have a little of your time? Because you look so special. Because you look so beautiful. You look so unique. Oh, I'm not getting these kind of ideas and knowledge from anywhere else. It's from you, beautiful person. Compliment yourself. You are good. You are unique. You are beautiful.